How to use a Boolean mask to select rows in Pandas. Imagine you have a big table of data and you want to pick out just the rows that meet certain conditions. Maybe you want all the sales over a specific amount or all the employees in a certain department. In Pandas, a popular data analysis library in Python, you can do this easily with something called a Boolean mask. Think of it as a filter that helps you see only the data you care about. First, you create a condition that checks each row to see if it matches what you're looking for. For example, if you have a data frame with sales data, you might want to find all sales greater than $100. You write a condition like df sales, 100. This condition checks every row in the sales column and gives back a series of true or false values. True means the row meets the condition, false means it doesn't. Next, you take that series of true and false values and use it as a filter. You put it inside square brackets after your data frame like this, df condition. When you do this, Pandas returns a new data frame that only contains the rows where the condition was true. So, if you filtered with df sales, 100, you'll see only the rows where sales were more than $100. You can also combine multiple conditions to make your filter more specific. Use the and symbol for and, the symbol for or, and the symbol for not. Remember to put each condition inside parentheses to keep things clear. For example, if you want sales over $100 and the product category is electronics, you write df sales, 100 and df category is equal to electronics. This creates a mask that only selects rows meeting both conditions. Applying the mask is straightforward. Just put it inside the brackets like df mask. You can also use, for more explicit indexing like df lock mask. This is especially helpful if you want to select specific columns along with the rows. Boolean masks are very useful for data wrangling. You can not only filter data but also modify it based on conditions. For example, if you want to change all sales less than $50 to 0, you can write df lock df sales 50, sales is equal to 0. This updates only the rows where the sales are below 50. Remember, the mask must be the same length as your data frame. If your data frame has 100 rows, your mask should have 100 true or false values. This way, Pandas knows exactly which rows to keep or change. In summary, creating a Boolean mask involves writing a condition that checks each row, then applying that mask to filter or modify your data. It's a simple yet powerful way to work with large datasets in Pandas, making your data analysis faster and more precise.